What day is it today? Is it sábado o domingo? No, silly. Those are days of the week in Spanish. Come on, I'll show you. Do you know how to say Monday in Spanish? It's lunes. Monday is pronounced lunes. Come on, say it with me. Lunes. Lunes. Good job. How about Tuesday? Do you know how to say Tuesday in Spanish? It's martes. Tuesday is pronounced martes. Martes. Good job. What about Wednesday? Do you know how to say Wednesday in Spanish? It's miércoles. Wednesday is pronounced miércoles. Come on, say it with me. Miércoles. What about Thursday? That's my favorite day of the week. Thursday is pronounced jueves. Yeah, it's jueves in Spanish. Sparrow's favorite day of the week is jueves. What about Friday? You say viernes. Cha, 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 cha. Yeah, we're going to have a party on viernes. That's Friday in Spanish. What about Saturday? Saturday is pronounced sábado. Sábado is a good day to spend with Mommy and Daddy Puppet. What about Sunday? Sunday is domingo. Domingo. Always remember, domingo is a good day to spend with your family. So let's go over that again. Monday is lunes. Tuesday is martes. Wednesday is miércoles. Thursday is jueves. Friday is viernes. Saturday is sábado. And Sunday is come on, it's domingo. Good job. Adios.